Hey guys, welcome to Valley RV Supercenter. My name's Randy. I'm the sales manager here, and I just wanted to talk about this new layout Jayco just came out with. It's the 2026 Jayco Jay Feather 23 MBD. It is quite honestly the coolest floor plan they've come out with in quite some time, and let me kind of show you the reasons why. So first off, the box is 23 feet. But it's really the floor plan that gets me excited. So first off, Murphy beds aren't for everybody, but don't rule it out before you see it work, because it's quite honestly super simple. You just lift it up, that lays down flat, you pull this little latch, and then just pull the mattress down and you have a queen bed in a matter of seconds. When this mattress is up, it actually has enough room back here to store all the blankets, pillows, and maybe additional luggage during transport as well. So it just makes it super simple, while creating a lot more space in a 23 footer than you'd typically see if this was an actual bedroom. Let's get to the back of the RV. You got a huge U-shaped dinette here, tons of storage for the pantry, but this is kind of the wow factor. You got a bunk room back here in a 23 foot. Little pocket door slides open. You don't find a bunk room to put the kids away in less than 31 feet typically. So this is way under the size, which makes it lighter weight too. So almost any SUV can tow it, or any truck these days can pull it, no problem. Looking into the bathroom here too, you got a giant bathroom, 2-door entry, steps fold in on both doors, but that's a giant shower again for this 23 footer. So have any questions on this? My name's Randy again here at Valley RV Supercenter. Come check out the 2026 Jayco Jay Feather 23 MBD.